Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the engine warm and stable. This ensures the idle control behaves normally. Once done, park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Next, inspect the air filter, vacuum hoses, and throttle body for obvious leaks or dirt because those change RPM. Connect an OBD-ROMAN2 reader and read live RPM and any trouble codes. This gives baseline numbers so you can compare after adjustments and tells you if sensors need attention before you proceed. You now perform controlled adjustments. Whether tweaking a throttle stop or using the idle air control, make only small changes, 1/8 to 1/4 turn, because the system is sensitive. While adjusting, monitor RPM live via OBD-ROMAN2 and listen for smooth transitions. This tells you why the change helped or hurt. After each tweak, clear codes, cycle the ignition, and let the engine stabilize for 2 to 3 minutes so the ECU learns the new baseline. If RPM drifts, back out the last change and reassess. You finish by confirming the idle RPM matches Toyota specs and that the engine revs smoothly up to about 2,000 RPM with no stumble. This proves stability. If RPM remains unstable, inspect MAF, TPS, vacuum leaks, and fuel pressure because those are common culprits that mimic idle issues. Make sure to document final settings and perform a short test drive, then rescan for codes to catch intermittent faults. Troubleshooting tip: if RPM surges after adjustment, revert to baseline and diagnose sensors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.